Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy step on how to block someone on Among Us. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To block someone on Among Us, first, go ahead and open your Among Us application. Also make sure that you are logged in with your account. After logging in, tap on the friends list button from the left hand side of the screen. You'll be able to see your friend list displayed on the screen. Go ahead and select a friend you'd like to block and tap on the little red block icon right next to your friend's name. Tap on it and tap on confirm in order to block the player. Soon after that, you'll be able to block someone on Among Us. Now the friends that you blocked will be displayed in the block list like this. You can unblock the players by giving their profile picture a tap and tapping on confirm. That is how you'll be able to block someone on Among Us. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.